Hey guys, so I just received my tank protector for my Honda Rebel. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a long time. And here you go. Here's the pad for the left and the right. They come right here. As you can see, it comes with the 3M tape in the bottom. I think it looks like that. Oh, maybe the other way around. Yep. So this one goes right there. Okay, good. That's the one. Okay. And then this one just right goes on top. Like so. So it comes with the alcohol, I guess the packaging is really nice. And yeah, that's what it looks like. 3M. And here's the alcohol. Guys, rub this in before we put it in. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start from make sure that the surface is clean. Okay guys, I had to stop and figured out how I want this to be, or I want this to look like, because I'm really picky when it comes to these things. So originally I went like this, follow the curb, go all the way up like so. So you're kind of like not seeing the curb, right? But I don't think that looks as good as, just coming up to here where it's not quite the same profile. And this label, it threw me off because it's Rebel backwards. You see that? It's Rebel backwards, but it has to be up here. And I had to go back to the seller's original like label so that to see which way it goes, and we can see it here too, right? Like that's where the label is gonna be, on the top. So okay, I'm gonna go like this, guys. Like I'm just gonna follow this curve. Like see that on the bottom is not quite lining up, but you know what? Who cares? I think that looks a lot better like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So before you do anything, play around with it, see what you like, because once you put it in, it's gonna be there permanently. And it came with the rubbing alcohol here with the pad, so I guess you use it to wipe the surface, right? Wipe the surface where you want to put it. Make sure it's clean. I'm gonna put it here. Wipe this surface. I'm gonna put it on the other side. Yeah, so there you go. That should be good. Should be good now. Okay. That's good. Other side. Okay. Alright. It's time to just wait for it to dry a little bit. Yes, me too. Okay, good. Okay, so now time to take it off. Put it right there. Okay, alright. Okay, there you go. What I have to do is work. How's that, guys? There it is. I'm really picky when it comes to these things. I want to make sure that it's all lining up. So what I've done here, guys, is it's basically follow this line, get that right profile, and when it turns around, you can see this kind of like curves in here, but you kind of just want to follow that as well. But I think that the main guide here is to follow this line to make sure that you're happy with. And once you put it on, I mean, you can't take it out. You can, but I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's looking good. Huh? Go to mommy. Anak, may ginagawa si daddy mo. Let's try and see if I can. Yeah, can't. Yeah, once you put it on, you can't even. Yeah, can't try and take it out. No, that's it. That's it. Okay, now on to the right side of the bike. Actually, guys, Again, just following that line. This kind of threw me off. Like, see here, it actually says Rebel. So I guess it's a mirror image. That's why I did the left one first, and that kind of threw me off. But in here it says Rebel facing the right way. I think that looks good. Kind of went all the way inside there. So, you know, I lied earlier. I figured out this. You can actually remove it, guys, pretty easily here. See, but I don't think you want to keep doing that. You know, if you find a good place for it, then okay. I think that looks good right there. And last but not least, I'm gonna put the one on top. Yeah. So right here. So I tried putting it on top, guys, but you know what? It was okay, but I figure this is not. Like, I was looking at it for a while. I said the top. Now I'm actually just kind of measuring it, make sure that everything is lining up from left to right. But the front tank, I actually moved that below. I've actually moved that way down, as you'll see in the next slide. But yeah, so this is me just playing around with it. Yeah, just making sure that everything is symmetrical. So here's the final product, guys. I lied earlier. I put this down. I think it looks better with the curb, like where it's curving, and it's closer to your, like, you know, if you have your zipper on, you don't want to scratch the tank, right? That's the whole purpose of it. And that's what it looks like on the other side. It's looking good, guys. I like it. I love it. And hit that like button. Consider subscribing. See you later. Let me know what you think.